Hey sand fans and dunatics, Sand Phil here. Well, today we are replacing sensors on this sand rail and we are just going to shotgun it. I have got, these will make up the last of the sensors that I haven't replaced already on this motor. So we have a M.A.P sensor, we have an air temperature sensor, we have an oxygen sensor, we have a throttle positioning switch, we have a replacement computer, a new set of coils with an ignition module. We are going to fix this thing to where it runs. Okay, I'm going to do this in two stages, I think. First stage, we're going to replace the M.A.P sensor, the air temp sensor, and the oxygen sensor and see what it does. If that fixes it, we're going to leave it there. If it doesn't, we're going to replace the throttle positioning sensor, and if that doesn't work, then the module and the computer. So let's get started. Alright guys, we changed out the, let's see, we changed, I don't even know, we changed out the M.A.P sensor, we changed out the air temp sensor, and the oxygen sensor. So we're going to call that phase one of this. And let's give it a shot, see if she'll run. Put my battery cutoff switch key in. Alright, let's make sure she's in neutral. And here we go. Okay, well, okay, so that didn't fix it, so on to the next things. Okay everybody, well, that's the throttle position sensor. Let's see what it does now. Key on, in neutral. Ran out of parts here, guys. So we changed the computer, so all that's left if this doesn't work is the coil pack. So I'm gonna give this a shot. Let's see what we got. Alright guys, I'm running out of parts, so let's put coils in it. We'll see how that goes. Alright everybody, that's the ignition coil, or the ignition module and coils put on. I'm out of parts, so it's got to be fixed, right? I mean, right? Out of parts, got to be fixed.
Alright, now stay with me. When we left, we had just enough fuel to make it to San Juan. And we are out of fuel.
Alright, let's see what we got. You know what, guys? Let's put the old computer back in it and just see if that doesn't make a difference. Alright guys, I think it took the computer a little while to learn all its sensors, but I think we got it. Let's go to the dunes. Sand fill out. Be safe on the dunes. We'll see you out there. Bye.